Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can reset keyboard settings to default in Windows 10 or either it could be a Windows 11. In this video I am also going to tell you how you can change language in your keyboard settings. For this you have to first of all go to search bar in the taskbar, then click on search bar. You will type here keyboard. After you type here keyboard, you will be able to see a setting called edit language and keyboard settings. So you will see here edit language and keyboard options. You have to click on this. After opening this particular setting, you will see some of these settings like this. From here you can select your preferred language. You have to click on add a language option here. After clicking on the add a language option here, you can add any of the language as per your choice. Let me add any random language here. I will be adding this particular language here, English New Zealand. So you have to click on it and click on next, then click on install. After you do this, you will see that it's get started and your downloading begins. After your downloading begins, you have to move it up for using it in your keyboard. You have to move up. After you move it up, you will be able to use this particular language while typing in your keyboard. I hope this method worked for you. Thanks for watching this video.